Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful sunrise painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. For this painting I have chosen this 8 into 10 inch cotton canvas. For the brushes I have chosen the various size of my flat brush and round brush and a detailing brush for this whole painting. So these are the colors we are using for this painting today, and without any delay let's move to the first step. I am applying the purple mixing up with the white, and I am applying the purple on the top of the canvas, so this will be the sky of our painting. As I have chosen to paint a morning sunrise, so I have chosen all the bright colors in the palette. So I am using the orange and yellow for this bright morning scenery. As you guys may or may not know, the purple is the complementary color of yellow, so the sky is more of yellow, so that the mountain that is in purple will dominate this painting. So I have given warm yellow color for the sky and following the mountains in purple color. Now just jump into the second step, that is the mountain. For that I have chosen the complementary color of yellow, that is the purple, and I am applying the color all over the middle of the canvas without any details. I am just blocking the middle part of the canvas with this purple color. I have been mixing this purple with white. We finish applying the basic shape of the mountain. We are going to make some details of the mountain. Now we are painting the mountain range or series of mountains. For that I am only paint on the top of the mountain, and I am choosing the same purple color, but this time I didn't mix the purple with white. I am using the raw purple color. Now I am painting the mountain with a dark shade of purple, so that I am mixing up the purple with the black, and I am painting the mountain here. And I am just blocking the basic shape of the mountains, not giving any much details on this mountain. Once we finish this, let's step into the third step, that is the ground or lavender field. And I'm gonna use the sap green color for the ground. Mixing up with the green and yellow, we have this beautiful shade of green, and we are going to use this color for the ground. When you are applying the same color on a large area, just use a flat brush. That would save your time, and also it helps your paint not dry so fast. Here I am painting some pine trees near the mountains. I am using my round brush to paint the basic shape of the pine trees. Round brushes are like all-rounders. We can use them to draw, to fill, or to spot on small amount of color from the tip, or to draw a small tiny line for the detail. So a round brush helps us in many other ways too. I am using my detailing brush to paint the grass, and also I am mixing up the green more with yellow this time to make the vibrant green for this grass, and I am using my detailing brush to draw each grass. Once it was done, let's paint the flowers. I'm using the same purple, mixing up the white here to paint the flowers. I'm using my detailing brush to paint the flowers, and if you guys don't have a detailing brush or a small size brush, then no problem. You can also use your round brush. You can use the tip of your round brush to paint the flowers, and it will give the same result. After we finish painting all the flowers, let's move to the last step, that is the sunbeams. This is my old flat dress with the damaged bristles, and I'm going to paint the sunbeams with the help of this damaged bristles, and I think it will give us an amazing result. Mixing up the yellow and white, I'm painting the sunbeams and the direction of the sunbeams here. Make sure your brush is completely dry before you dip your brush in paint, and I think that is give me this result. I didn't touch a single drop of water for this process. I just using the color yellow and white. I'm just mixing up them with this brush, and I'm directly using the color here without any water adding to it. And note that your length of the brush bristles is short so that you can handle the pressure here in your brush. And my brush is so old, so the bristles become so hard, so it helps me to make these lines. If you are using a very soft brush, and it will give you a straight smooth line, so your old brush help you to create this texture. I am using my titanium white for the sun to make the sun even more bright than the sunbeams. We finish this beautiful painting by giving a light and bright shade of green where the sunlight hits the ground. After almost 3 to 4 hours of painting, we finished this beautiful painting, and I hope you all like this painting, and please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.